Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have Chrome open and signed in. Now go directly to your history. Press Ctrl+H on Windows or CMD+Y on Mac to jump to the history page immediately. Once there, you'll see items sorted by date and device. Make sure sync is enabled if you want cross-device records. Otherwise, you'll only see local entries. This first step takes you straight to the list so you can search, filter, or remove items without extra navigation. Now focus on finding specific visits. Type a site name or URL in the search box to narrow results. You can also expand the left column to view history from specific devices or recent tabs. Click an entry to reopen it. To remove multiple records, check their boxes and click Remove Items. This deletes only the selected rows. Once done, be aware that deleting while sync is active removes entries across synced devices. Finish by removing broader history if needed. Open clear browsing data, pick a time range such as last hour or all time, then check browsing history and any other items to remove before you confirm clear data. Once cleared, make sure to sign back into the correct Google account if you expect synced entries. If something goes wrong, history appears empty, verify sync is on and you're not in incognito, because private mode and wrong accounts are the most common causes of missing history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.